Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Jeep Grand Cherokee passenger side headlight. First, you'll need a few basic tools, including a T20 Torx bit and a flathead screwdriver. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is set for safety. Begin by locating the 3 retaining clips positioned along the top edge of the headlight assembly. These clips are crucial for securing the unit. Once you've identified the retaining clips, use your flathead screwdriver to carefully pry them up and remove them. With the clips out, you can now gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. It should slide out of its mounting points with a little effort. Next, locate the main electrical connector at the back of the assembly. Press the small release tab and pull to disconnect it completely. With the headlight assembly free, you can now access the bulb. Twist the bulb housing counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to unlock it. Gently pull the old bulb straight out. When handling the new bulb, always avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Carefully insert the new bulb, ensuring the tabs align correctly, then twist clockwise to lock it securely in place. Now it's time to reassemble everything. Reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb, making sure you hear a distinct click to confirm it's secure. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original mounting position on the vehicle. Push it firmly until it seats properly. Finally, reinsert the 3 retaining clips you removed earlier to secure the assembly. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Test your new headlight to ensure it's working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.